This muscle disappears fast after 50, and when it does, everything starts to feel harder. Stairs are harder and slower than they should be. You feel more pressure in your knees and in your back, and your lower back seems super tight after doing simple activities. You may end up with poor balance standing on one leg, or you walk a lot slower with shorter steps, or you may even feel unstable when bending down, which results in losing confidence in everyday movements. And that muscle is weak in nearly every single client I see over 50. And the muscle we're talking about is the glutes. And once you start rebuilding them properly, you not only get stronger, everyday life starts to feel easier. So in this video, I'm going to share 2 glute exercises that can be done at home with just a resistance band, and it will only take you about 6 minutes per day, 3 times per week. Let's say your muscles are going to disappear. It's a little bit dramatic. What we're saying is that you're losing muscle mass all the time and strength, and in fact, your muscle mass declines about 10% per decade after the age of 30, okay? So if you don't strengthen these muscles, they're gonna naturally get weaker. And certainly your glutes, they tend to get a little bit lazy. They're the biggest muscle group in the body, and oftentimes people don't spend enough time training them. So to do this exercise, like I said, you need just a simple band, okay? And you're gonna anchor it against a door. And like I said, a lot of these resistance bands come with door anchors. And if you really want a really good quality resistance band like this, there's a link in the description for Clench Fitness. So you're gonna attach it to a really safe anchor point this way. And you're gonna use something just to pad up your knees a little bit, all right? So I'm aware people have got sore knees. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna loop it around. I'm gonna jump into the band this way and put it around your hips. And you just want to step it out a tad, so you've got resistance coming back this way. And a really good thing about this exercise is that we talk about mobility. So when you take your hips back this way, I get a really good range of movement throughout my hips. And as I come forward, I'm able to squeeze my glutes at the top under some load from the band, hold it for a second, and slowly lower it back down to the start position. Oftentimes, this could be a little bit better than a glute bridge as well, just because you can add more weight to it, more load to it. It's very comfortable and doesn't take a huge amount of thought to get the exercise done properly. So in terms of how many sets and reps, and you need a band that is strong enough to challenge you at the top part. So I'm here now and I can feel my glutes starting to work because I'm still pushing the band forward. You also get a bit of a stretch on your hip flexors as well, which is a good thing. And to come down to the bottom and then come straight back up and squeeze at the top. I'm going to do this for about 60 seconds. And what's going to happen is you're going to take a rest for 30 seconds and you're going to repeat that 60 seconds 2 more times. So if you're liking the video and you would like a full strength workout just with resistance bands, all you need to do is comment bands down below and I will send that to you absolutely free. So the next exercise, we're going to use the same setup. You may need to drop the anchor point a little bit lower, and then you're going to use the same band and you're going to put one leg into the band this way, all right? And all you're going to do, you're going to take a step out, so there's some tension on the band, support yourself on the door or the wall, and you're going to lift one leg out to the side. This is going to hit the glute medius, the muscle on the side of the hip, which is hugely responsible for stabilizing the hip. So the first exercise works on the big glute muscles. This is going to work on the more stabilizing muscles. And this is actually a little bit harder. So what we're going to do, we're going to do 30 seconds on one side, then obviously you're going to swap over and do 30 seconds on the other side, and you're going to repeat that 2 more times. And if you did that 3 times per week, a very short space of time, you're going to start rebuilding those glute muscles to make all those things that we spoke about at the beginning a lot easier. If you like the video, let me know. Let me know if you're going to try this exercise, and I'm going to leave a video in the top left-hand corner, which again looks at your glutes. So head over to that video and I'll see you there shortly.